girlfriends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Ramsey. I'm on a journey to become debt free. So if you would love to follow my journey, please do so and consider and subscribing. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up because next year, which is only a few months away, we're gonna start that challenge of $1 per like to see how much we're gonna save for 2025. So I want you guys to get on that little road trip of liking my videos so I can go ahead and start that challenge next year, which I'm so excited that you guys know I had to stop that challenge like the middle of this year because I wanted to pay off one of my debts, and I did. Okay, so I am so excited because we also have some Happy Meal that we're going to be opening throughout the video, and I don't know how much money I have actually, so let's go ahead and count it together, shall we? By the way, guys, happy October! Woohoo! It's spooky month. I am so excited. I'm ready for fall. I'm ready. 20, 40, 50, 60, 75. All right, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 88, 89. 89, but we do have an IOU, so 89, let's see, oops, 89 minus 11, so we have $78 to stuff today. Let's go ahead and stuff where we left off on our IOU, which is right here. As you can see, an IOU of $11. All right, let's see. So we have 10 and 11. Oops. So yeah, are you guys excited for October? I am so ready for pumpkin patch, you guys. Pumpkin patch is my favorite things, my favorite thing to do with my kiddos, and I just ready for it. Do you guys do anything else besides pumpkin patch? Let me know. All right, so there's that. Okay. We're going to stuff where we left it off, which is going to be right here. This is going to be the first one that I'm going to be stuffing, which is Easter Day, and it is for $15. So I'm going to go ahead and color one of those for $15. I went ahead and color it for $15 like that. I mean, I can't really color it, but you know how freaking cute is that though? So yeah, so I have 10. I'm going to use some ones. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, there we go. Woo! Another thing I do want to talk about, you guys, is I believe on my last video, I had maybe 2 people that commented for a little thank you for watching my video. I'm going to put them here on the screen right here. So congratulations to you. Ladies, I believe it was only 2 if I'm not mistaken. If I'm wrong, I will correct myself. But if you're one of the winners, please message me. I am going to be sending you, we're gonna do $6 on this one. I'm gonna be sending you $6 for both of you guys for a little thank you, for you to go get yourself a little coffee. So as a little thank you for watching my video throughout the video and supporting me. So if you are one of them, congrats. I'll be sending you $6, either Venmo or Zelle, whatever works best for you. PayPal, let me know. Please get in contact with me on Instagram so I can send you those $6 for you to go treat yourself with a small little coffee. So yeah. All right, awesome. All right, next we're gonna have this one. This one we have a 4, a 5, a 7, and then the rest. What should we do? Let's do a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. All right, so 4 on that one. I'm going to be doing a binder setup for fall, because this one needs to go. This one needs to retire right now because it's not summer no more. It's not spring no more. So I need to take that one off. And I'm excited for it, to change it up. You know, you gotta change things up so it doesn't get boring, right? All right. Next, we have this one, Strong as a Mother. Love it. Let's scratch off this one, shall we? Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm a little bit scared because I know that it's $100 on this. So it's a bigger number. Oh, no way. This is the smallest number. I know for a fact. This is the smallest number in this scratch off challenge. Because look, it's $100. So just right here, we have $30 already. So that means we're gonna have $70 left to finish this challenge. All right, we're gonna go ahead and add a 2 here. All right, that was fun. Okay, awesome. And then I love my Hello Kitty one. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so obsessed with Hello Kitty. So I've been collecting Hello Kitty ceramics and trading for them. And I am so happy to be into that, collecting Hello Kitty now. All right, let's go ahead and do this one. This one too, we save $100. Oh, okay, good. $6. Okay, this is probably the smaller amount too on this scratch off. Don't mind the train. It's passing by. Okay, $6. I take it. I take it. All right, 5 and 6. All right, let's go ahead and open up our little Happy Mail. And I'm so pumped for Happy Mail, guys. I love Happy Mail. If you guys want to ever send me anything, let me know. I'll be more than happy to, you know, give you guys my address so you can send me something. I've been thinking about P.O. Box just in case, but, you know, I don't know. But anyways, no, this is not a Happy Mail that she sent me for free. No, she did not. This is from A Little of It All. She is the sweetest. I love Taylor. She always brings out the cutest little like scratches. And so I decided to buy some of her goodies because I love cute little fun scratch offs. So let's go ahead and open it up here on camera. I'm just scared that she's gonna send me something with my address. I don't want my address to show. I think this, yeah, okay, good. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Look at that clip. That paper clip. That is so cute, Taylor. It reminds me of Christmas. I don't know why. Okay, so here is her little card. Thank you for your order. Your support made my day. And then you guys can find her on YouTube and Instagram, okay? A Little of It All. Oh my gosh. Are you guys ready to see what I got? I'm excited to show you. A little ASMR. Oh my gosh. I think, yeah, this is definitely more than I ordered, if I'm not mistaken. But I could be wrong. Okay, look at the cute little paper clip. Oh, I love it. This is like the second one I have from you. The other one was a different one, but this is so cute. I'm gonna be having a little collection from you. So here it is again, so you guys can, oops, you guys can find her. Oh my gosh, Yancy, shut your mouth, my friend. Your order made my day. Thank you so much for your support. Love you big. Ugh, I love you, Taylor. Thank you. Ugh, she's so kind and sweet. You guys trust me. I love watching her videos. Like, it is so sweet. Like, her video, her vibes, it's just so calming. I don't know if it's just for me, but it's so calming. Okay, I know I ordered someone to scratch us. Okay, look at this. The little, like, latte, like, coffee latte. Coffee, right? I don't know, but look, it's so stinking cute. Okay, I got that one. And I got the little pumpkin. Oh my god, they're so cute, Taylor. And then I had to get Christmas because I love Christmas. Look at this little gift bag sack where all the gifts are at. I love it. And then last but not least, I got the little cute little Christmas. Oh my gosh, look at them ghosts. Oh my gosh, I love the one where it's holding the little gingerbread. I love it. I'm obsessed. Thank you so much, Taylor. Oh my gosh, yes. The rest are extra goodies because I don't remember getting those. Oh my gosh, you're so kind. Okay, frame your future. I like this. R-I-H, is that H? That, right? I don't think it's a P, right? Or unless I'm blind. But R-I-H, that. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm ready to use those. This is pretty cool. There is lava. Oh my gosh, my kids will probably like that. I like that. Oh my god. Mood Cozy. I'm definitely using this on my next binder setup when I finish its challenge. I am definitely using this for sure. Love it. Oh my god. And then the little color, coloring the little candy cane. Yes, I'm ready. I am ready. Oh my gosh, Taylor, thank you so much. You're so sweet and kind for sending the little extra goodies. For sure, those two will be put in use very fast. I'm hoping I can do the rest soon. But for sure, those are going to go well for the new little, like, changing my binder theme for fall season, cozy season. Thank you so much, Taylor. You're so sweet and kind. Love it, love it, love it. Appreciate it. All right, now let's go ahead and move on where we left off. All right, guys, so here we have Trick or Treat. This one is a mystery on how much we're gonna save. All right, let's see. This is a little ghost. I love the little scratch off ghost. Oh yay, $5. Love, love, love. We love low domination here, okay? Love numbers, very low numbers, because you know we don't have much money to stuff. All right, $5. Ooh, that means I'm gonna have to get some change for the 20s, because your girl doesn't have much. All right, now here, this one is say 50, and I believe I'm going to go change those 20s. All right, so this one's going to be $6. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and change the 20s, and I'll be right back, okay? So hold on. I went ahead and made some change here. So if you are watching the video, please leave me a little leaf emoji for a little, maybe a little scratch off giveaway on this one. Okay, okay. All right, so we're gonna add $6 on that one. How exciting. There is that. Awesome. And then last but not least, we have the red and wow and blue. This one right here is for $100. Okay. Awesome. All right, let's scratch off the bottom here. Let's see how much this start is going to be. Yay, 7. I love it. It's $100. So that means that the rest are going to be super duper big numbers. That's why I had $20 bills that I didn't break off, because I thought I was going to get bigger numbers, but apparently I didn't. 6, 7, and hopefully the lighting is good, you guys, because I am filming right now in the morning before I go to work and drop off the kid to my mom's house, because I already dropped off Eric at school. So yeah, anyways, let me know if you guys doing anything fun for this week. Let me know what you're doing, guys. I'm obsessed with this ring. I actually wanted a different ring I saw at TJ Maxx, and I went back for it and it's gone. I'm like, oh, why? All right, let's go ahead and do another one of this one. This one's gonna be $10. All right, I'm getting so close on finishing this one. This one will save me $80. So what we have left is 15 and 15 left. That's exciting, you guys. I'm almost there. I am almost there. Oh, I can't wait to finish paying off my debt. Well, some of my debt. We will see how much we're gonna pay off before this month. Not this month, before this year ends. Oops, I need to make new envelopes. I'm telling you guys. Well, I do have new envelopes that I got from Easy Budget, but I need to use mine as much as I can. But we're gonna change things around. All right, this one right here. I don't know, what should we do? This one is, oh, I don't know. All right, let's add the, let's do, oh man, let's just do that. 10, 15, 16, 17. Let's do the 17, so we don't have an IOU. 10, 15, 16, 17. Yeah, I don't want to have an IOU. All right, 17. And this challenge will save me 351, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more to finish. Oh my gosh, that's getting so close. Yes, that makes me so happy, you guys. because we're almost finishing. That's a big amount, 351. It's a huge amount to pay off to one of my debts, so that's exciting. All right, there you have it. I hope you loved this video. Thank you so much for watching and showing support. You guys, I am like probably like, let me see, 6 subscribers away from 800. Oh my gosh, I do hope I get those 8 subscribers this month. I do have a whole month to complete that goal. I think I will. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye, take care, I love ya.